Welcome to the Magic Melody and Fairy Tales.
Baa Baa Black Sheep, have you any wool? Yes sir, 3 bags full. One for Alex, jumping in the sun. He knits a scarf, oh what fun. One for Oliver, playing by the tree. He makes a hat for Bumblebee. One for Lily, dancing with delight. She sews a cloak that sparkles bright. Baa Baa Black Sheep, thanks for all you do, sharing all your wool with kindness too. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Alex laughs and Lily sings while Oliver starts to dream. Row, row, row along, happy as can be. Under sky so big and blue, they sing in harmony. Row, row, row your boat, adventures just ahead. With friends like these and sunny skies, there's nothing left to dread. Row, 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 row along, happy as can be. Under sky so big and blue, they sing in harmony. Hickory Dickory Dock, owls ran up the clock. The clock struck 1, he said, what fun. Hickory Dickory Dock, hickory dickory dee. Lily climbed up with glee. The clock struck 2, she yelled yahoo, and slid down happily. Hickory dickory doo, Oliver wanted to too. The clock struck 3, he giggled with glee, and off the mouse he flew. One bright morning with skies so blue, 3 friends had something grand to do. Alex cheered as the balloon rose high, chasing the clouds in the morning sky. Lily giggled with joy so wide, tossing confetti from side to side. Oliver peeked through his glasses round, charting the stars without a sound. They flew past mountains capped with snow, waving at eagles flying low. Over jungles and sparkling seas, they danced with dolphins and monkeys and trees. With sunset gold and twilight near, they laughed, let's fly again next year.